Last check shortly before the exercise. The Baltimore Fire Department needs only 15 minutes to set up the Dräger mobile fire training system, and then it's ready for final preparations and its deployment. Today's program sees the trainees faced with a fire in an industrial plant. Together with Pat Campbell, Robert McNillan prepares the system for forthcoming exercise. The two instructors perform the system check and test all the safety components.
You're going to turn the key on.
Water is filled into the fireplaces. The water bath technology ensures a particularly realistic representation of flame patterns. Pat Campbell then activates the Dräger mobile fire training system. Together with the trainees, Captain John Kisser runs through the individual fireplaces and explains the training scenario.
You're going to do an indirect attack or whatever attack the instructor tells you to do. Do not put water on the fire until the instructor tells you to put water on the fire.
He quickly changes the configuration of the system again. A wall needs to be moved. Within a brief moment, the Dräger mobile fire training system is reconfigured to deal with a modified training scenario.
I like this trailer because we can also rearrange the configuration, bring them in from different doors, and it's very easy to simulate different types of scenarios. We do have the we can either do a horizontal or a pitched roof ventilation and actually simulate an actual ventilation where they can actually use the axe, the pike pole, and do an actual ventilation evolution. We do search and rescue scenarios in here. We can place mannequins all over this, and it makes it very difficult for them to move through. It's very confining, much like a regular structure would be that you would come across in a real situation with furniture and narrow hallways and that sort of thing.
Things are quite literally about to heat up for the firefighters. The instructors have opted for the following scenarios this time. The task force must confront the blaze on 2 floors. On the first floor, the firefighters come across a universal fireplace, which, in this scenario, simulates a fire in a waste container. In the next room, gas cylinders are on fire. Should the fire develop accordingly, the instructor can also trigger a rollover. On the second floor, the firefighters must extinguish a burning gas pipe. Now let's get serious. The training participants are thrown into an emergency situation. They are not spared a thing. Safety takes top priority at Dräger. Instructor Pat Campbell monitors the entire scene. Throughout the exercise, he can use the emergency stop switch to stop the scenario. In addition, thermal and gas sensors ensure safety at all times during the fire training.
I feel very confident that when all the green lights are going, that this thing's very safe. At 500 degrees at 5 feet, the whole system shuts down. If we get a high reading on one of the gas meters, it shuts down. I feel very confident, very safe when I'm working in this environment.
The Dräger mobile fire training system has another advantage. Every exercise can be repeated under identical conditions, at any time, with a maximum degree of reality and safety.
The quality was the reason behind the choice for Dräger. The quality of the unit itself, the different bells and whistles, for lack of a better term, that came with it. I think that's why the city decided on that particular product.
With the mobile fire training system, Dräger offers a system with unequaled reality, safety, and reliability. The Dräger fire training system is flexible, can systematically be adjusted to meet individual customer demands, and meets country-specific safety requirements and standards. Wherever the system is based, The global service network ensures that Dräger specialists are available to support the customer throughout the system's entire life.